For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
As the novel coronavirus continues to spread aggressively, scientists and researchers are working round the clock to develop a vaccine. In the meantime, several home remedies have shown promising results to boost people's immunity. Alternative studies have been conducted to see how supplements in food would work against the virus and reduce the risk. A recent study has shown that the nitrate supplements could improve respiratory muscle dysfunction. A team of researchers from the University of Florida conducted the study. In the study, it was found that nitrates could help improve the function in the diaphragm. The research findings are based on a study that was conducted on old mice. To understand if nitrate could actually help in clearing lung infection, researchers conducted a study on old mice and a control group. Researchers gave sodium nitrate to old mice in their drinking water daily for 14 days, and the control group received regular water. After 14 days, researchers found that dietary nitrates had actually impacted on the contractile function of fast muscle cells. Fast muscle cells are responsible for the size and definition of a particular muscle. The research findings indicated that dietary nitrate supplements could aid breathing and lung clearance in the elderly. Researchers believe that this could potentially help older COVID-19 patients to stop dependency from mechanical ventilation. But the only limitation is that mouse diaphragm consists of 90% fast muscle cells, and in humans it is 25 to 50%. In addition, the research was done on male mice, and the results of the impact of nitrates on female mice are also unknown. However, researchers believe that as the diaphragm is the primary inspiratory muscle used for breathing, coughing, nitrates could help in clearing infection. Our findings are especially important in light of the current COVID-19 pandemic, as they suggest that if replicated in humans, dietary nitrate is useful to improve respiratory muscle dysfunction that contributes to difficulty in weaning patients from mechanical ventilation. The study has been published in the Journal of Physiology. Researchers believe that the research findings could be further enhanced and clear the doubts. A similar study was conducted by a team of researchers from Florida to understand the benefits of nitrates. Even in that study, it was found that nitrates were helping muscles by improving the use of calcium in the muscle. Beets, celery, lettuce, radishes and spinach, dairy products like cheese, beef, poultry and fish. Along with the consumption of these foods, it is also important to maintain a proper diet and a healthy lifestyle to boost immunity.